In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Hootsuite membership. For many of us who manage our social media accounts through platforms like Hootsuite, there might come a time when we need to move on or simply take a break. This process can feel a little daunting, especially if you're new to navigating your account settings. But worry not, by following these steps, you'll find that cancelling your membership is straightforward. Let's start at the very beginning. The first thing you'll want to do is head over to the Hootsuite website. It's here that we begin the process. Once you've arrived at their homepage, look for the Login button, which is usually prominently displayed. After clicking on this, you'll be directed to a login page. At this stage, you'll need to enter your registered email address. Make sure it's the one you used to sign up for your Hootsuite account to avoid any confusion. After that, it's time for your password. Type it into the designated field, and then click the sign in button, and just like that, you're in. Navigating the website can be a bit tricky for new users, but luckily accessing your Hootsuite dashboard is pretty straightforward. Once you're signed in, locate and visit your dashboard. This is essentially your control room in Hootsuite. It's where the magic happens, so to speak. From your dashboard, you'll want to focus on locating your profile area. It's usually marked with either your name or an avatar at the corner of the screen. After clicking on your profile, a drop-down menu will appear, displaying various options. From this menu, select Plan and Billing. This is where Hootsuite houses all the information regarding your subscription, making it your next crucial stop. Upon selecting Plan and Billing, you should find yourself on a page that gives you a detailed rundown of your current subscription status. Near this area, there's an option labeled Manage My Subscription. Clicking here is vital, as it will take you to the section where you can make significant changes to your membership status. At this point, you are almost there. Among the options available, you should see one that reads Cancel Upcoming Subscription. This is your final stop. Click on it, and Hootsuite will likely guide you through a few confirmation steps to ensure that you want to cancel your subscription. It is essential to read these carefully to understand the implications of cancelling, such as the loss of any premium features or data. After following through these last steps and confirming your cancellation, your Hootsuite membership will be set to end following your current billing period. It's worth noting that platforms like Hootsuite often update their user interfaces, so if you find that any of the steps have slightly changed since this video was made, use the labels and terms I've mentioned as a guide to navigate your account. Before I wrap up this tutorial, here's a little tip. Even if you're set on cancelling, Hootsuite, like many subscription-based services, may offer you incentives to stay, such as discounted plans or free features for a limited time. While our focus today is on cancelling, it's always good to know all your options. And that brings us to the end of how to cancel your Hootsuite membership. Whether you're simplifying your social media toolkit or just taking a break, I hope this guide has made the process as smooth as possible for you. Thank you for joining me today, and remember, managing your online tools should never be a hassle. With the right instructions, you can navigate these platforms like a pro.